Assalamu alaikum. Today we will see how to create HTML and CSS files in Visual Studio. So HTML is a language used for web development, and it stands for hypertext markup language, and CSS stands for cascading style sheets, and it's used for styling purpose. Web development, many software can be used for web development and web designing, but the most popular one are listed below as Visual Studio, Visual Studio Code, Notepad or Notepad++. So now we will create HTML and CSS files in Visual Studio. If you have Visual Studio at your taskbar, you can open it, but I don't have, so I go to the start menu and type for Visual Studio, and I will open it. Continue without any code and click on file, new and file. And there are so many options here. So here is the HTML page and here is the style sheet. Simply double click or click on it and click on the open button. So I will double click, and here is the HTML file with the basic HTML structure. So I also want a little bit style, so I will also open a CSS file, go to the new and again file, and then CSS file, style sheet. So here is CSS file. So now how to run it on browser. So simply here write something like the title of your website, as I will simply write studio. So save it, control S, save it, save whatever name you want, you can write over here and save it. I'm having a file with the same name, so I will replace. So then how to run it on the browser? Simply right click, and in this drop down menu here is the option view in the browser, and here will be shown the default browser you are using. Simply double click on it, and here you are. This is the title I written on the title. So I hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you so much. Allah Hafiz.